Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure you're signed into Teams with the correct account and calendar permissions. Once done, open Calendar and click New Meeting to begin. Set a clear title, date, time, and duration so attendees know expectations. Next, add participants and mark them required or optional, and choose whether to host in a channel or send a private meeting link. This quickly creates the event and places the join information where everyone can find it. Now refine the meeting so it runs smoothly. In the Details pane, paste the agenda and attach key files or links so attendees can prepare. After saving, click Meeting Options to control who bypasses the lobby, who is a presenter, and whether recording or live captions are allowed. These choices shape interaction and privacy. Make sure to test your camera, microphone, and speaker. Verify device settings and internet stability so you're ready to lead without surprises. When it's time, join a few minutes early, admit participants from the lobby, and open with the agenda while assigning roles like presenter and note-taker to keep momentum. Use share screen for demos, open breakout rooms for small groups, launch polls for quick feedback, and record if you need a transcript or replay. If someone can't join or audio fails, make sure app permissions are enabled, suggest restarting Teams, and have the meeting link ready to rejoin. That fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.